Registration. In order to register with North Idaho Rock School, you have to go to our website at the registration page and register either you or your child online for lessons. When you click submit to hit that registration and confirm that, you will receive 2 emails automatically in your inbox. Make sure you read these emails thoroughly. The first email will be your login information for the student portal. You will go through that process and create your login for the student portal, and then you will find a slot that works best on the calendar, and when you register for that slot, that'll be your time. Now, it might not allow you to register for all of those slots, but we will manually go in and make sure that that is your slot week in and week out. After you confirm your time slot, you will be invoiced for the first month, which is perhaps prorated, as well as your $50 registration fee. And when you register and you make that payment, then we'll look forward to seeing you at your first lesson. Invoicing. Invoicing happens on the 1st of every month. When you get your invoice, it is due immediately. We are requiring all of our new and current students to enroll in autopay. So when you create your student portal, make sure the correct credit card or bank information is uploaded to my music staff so that you will automatically get billed for that month's invoice. There's also no fee associated with doing autopay because I will be taking the hit on that because it's more of my convenience. If it doesn't work for you to do autopay, please contact me directly at info@northidahorockschool.com. If you need to pay via cash or check, I may be able to make an exception. However, I cannot guarantee that for you. If for some reason your check bounces or the credit card doesn't go through, or something happens and it doesn't work, we do require you to pay us by the 10th of the month. And if it's past the 10th of the month and then you finally make payment, there is going to be a $25 late fee. So make sure you pay us on time so you can avoid that fee. Refunds and withdrawals. If for some reason you need to withdraw from our school, there are no refunds for that month. So make sure you finish out the current month that you're in. If you need to withdraw from our school, make sure you give us 2 weeks notice beforehand in writing. You can email us at info@northidahorockschool.com. North Idaho Rock School reserves the right to terminate any of the students that we need to. In that case, we would definitely give you a refund. Missed lessons. This is a very important policy that everybody really needs to understand and be in agreement on. So make sure you kind of listen carefully. And if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask me. The first thing we need to understand about missed lessons is that when you reserve your time slot, you're actually paying for a spot on our calendar. You're not necessarily paying for a lesson with a full 30 minutes of instruction. You're paying for a full 30 minutes on our calendar. So hopefully that helps to understand kind of where we are coming from as a music school, that you're paying for that calendar slot, not just a full 30 minutes of instruction. If a student misses a lesson or multiple lessons due to vacation, there are no makeups, there are no refunds, there are no credits to the account. We have 2 different options you can take advantage of if you would like to. The first thing that you can do is do a Zoom lesson with your instructor. You can get their Zoom information and do a Zoom lesson at the same exact time that your regular lesson would be. So if that is interesting to you, please let us know before you know you're going on vacation. The second thing that you can do that we'll be really heavily relying on is Lesson Mate. Lesson Mate is a new program that we're going to be instituting, and it's basically an opportunity for you and us to all be on the same page. It's a platform for our instructors to be giving you or your student instruction when you are gone. So if you're sick, we'll just use your lesson time to create and upload a lesson plan for you to work on as you're feeling better before the next lesson. If you're going to be gone on vacation for multiple weeks, we will give you on that same half hour that we give you, your private lesson, we'll be doing the same thing perhaps for multiple weeks while you're gone. And then when you come back, you can be using those to continue to brush up on your skills once you get back on vacation. Or if you're able to do it while you're on vacation, that'd be really cool as well. So keep an eye on Lesson Mate. We'll give you more information on that as it comes. Finally, if you know you're going to be gone and maybe you're sick or you're going on vacation, make sure you utilize the student portal to go into that time that you are going to be gone and cancel that lesson time, so it tells us that you're going to be gone. Please don't just tell your instructor that you're going to be gone. Please make sure you do it through that student portal so that our admin team are all on the same page and billing happens correctly and everything else. So thank you again. You guys are awesome. Injuries. If you get hurt on our business property, please let me know as soon as possible. It would break my heart if something like that happened, but we do know that certain things happen that aren't great, right? So, but if you do, by signing our registration form, you agree not to pursue any legal action against our business due to such injuries. But please do your best to stay safe and not get injured on our property. Photo release. I love to be able to take photos and videos of your students or of yourself playing through songs and just playing their instrument, learning and going through this process of learning. And these videos and pictures may be used on our social media, on our website, on printed material, anything like that. So by signing this policy form, you are agreeing to allow us to do those things, to take photos and videos of yourself or your student, and for marketing purposes. So it is important to us that we can show the world of what awesome things are happening here at North Idaho Rock School.